CPKC holiday train coming here. Saskatoon now. Man, that's magnificent. $2,249. That's what I did on my first. You're stopping. Oh. You're stopping. You gotta sell it if we can. What? Yeah, could I ask Mom? Mom, could you drive? Because I want to go up there. Up. There.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Could you drive?
What?
Could you drive? Could you ask that? Oh, sure, no.
Yeah, you can go up there. You want to go now?
No, could you get up? Oh, what do you do?
Huh?
What do you do?
Okay, get in over there.
And maybe they changed their calls with the more switching crews now. KC holiday train coming here.
You want to go up, Tito?
Yeah, let's do this.
Tito, wear your gloves. It's cold.
What?
Your gloves.